Shoot my own video. But I don't know what to talk about in the videos leh. I don't have anything interesting that I think people will want to hear lah. Even before shooting, you want to think from where do you want your target viewers to see your videos? Now, in my personal opinion, at least in Singapore, a Facebook page is a must. Having a YouTube channel is the basic, followed by Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok. Facebook is most viewed by those who are about 30 years old and above. YouTube is for the international audience, and Instagram and TikTok is more for the younger crowd. What users use the platform for? What kind of content do they expect to see? What kind of viewing behavior do they have on those platforms? What kind of interactions do they expect out of the content on the platform also differs from platform to platform. Like YouTube is usually used for binge watching. Interactions are video specific, and users generally expect to, after the video, subscribe, get notified for new content on your channel. Facebook promotes community behavior like sharing and commenting a lot stronger. Instagram is for more casual content and actually promotes influencer selling a lot better. LinkedIn is for serious business interactions with C-level executives. Ongoing content can always be sourced from what's currently going on around you. Your Facebook watch, Facebook feed, YouTube trending, what's being discussed in your WhatsApp groups, even as gag. See, people just want to hear what's your take on what's currently happening in the world. Where you want to think from as a larger context here is to build content around the value that you really want to give your viewers who view your videos, who subscribe to your page and channel over the long term. And vocalize that value in the About You section of your Facebook page and your YouTube channel. Also, if you're thinking about it, paid exposure is not always the way to go, because the smart, modern, and discerning viewer will immediately see a disparity between the number of subscribers, views, comments, and shares on your videos and content, and they will think that your account is a dud. If you're just starting out, all you want to focus on is in building content in your content library. You want to be consistent and diligent in sharing your content, in making noise about it, in attending to every comment on your content. Of course, at first, you would expect little views, little engagements, little comments, but that's totally fine. You keep on going and aspire to reach certain milestones, like Ad Partner, like the Silver Play button on YouTube, like the Gold Play button, the Diamond Play button. Now, reaching these milestones means for you that the content you're putting out, the value you're giving, has been recognized by your target viewers and is generating a conversation about your personality, beliefs, and value in a very organic, generic way. From then on, what you expect is exponential results for consistent and greater effort to increase your contribution of value to this world. Your first video begins today. See you next week.